don't you tell your son something gonna have to hurt his ass?
I'm not in it. I ain't in it.
Why he do the things he do, Miss Juanita? Please tell me. If anybody know, you do. I don't know what I'm gonna do about him. Man, I love him, but damn, how much can a bitch take?
Can't believe this motherfucker. I told you before that I ain't trying to be in y'all's business. What's between you and Jody is you and Jody. Can't tell you nothing about my son.
Well, then what am I supposed to do with his selfish ass then? You know he got me and his son out here walking while he's rolling in my car. So much. You being funny? Okay. Trojan, very sensitive, lubricated, America's #1 condom. When at least you went all out. All I get is a trip to the clinic.